If you finished your March, cuties, you know what it's time for. Hey everyone, Cristin Som here, and if you finished your March, cuties, mine is not actually done yet. If you heard, I was out of internet for like 4 or 5 days, so I didn't get to finish our last tutorial just yet, but I'm going to finish it tonight. I'm going to finish my project and work on the tutorial. So anyway, so cute, right? The gnome one, oh my gosh. Well, for April, we are going to do bunnies and carrots, and so cute. So I wanted to just point out that there is a fabric kit available from our sponsor, My Girlfriend's Quilt Shop. We are going to do the bunny table runner, and all the fabrics are available, and it comes with a little embellishment rope. And the backing, the binding, the front, all of the parts. So as I mentioned earlier, so we've done January, February, I'm almost done with March. You can get the entire bundle of fabrics. You can get the 6-month supply, and you'll get them once a month, but you will pay for it all at once, and then you save on shipping, because then it would be free shipping. Or you can get one every month. There's a different coupon code for each one. If you do the bundle, there's one coupon code. If you do each month, it's a different coupon code for each month. So I will add that. I actually don't have it yet from our sponsor. I will add it underneath this video. I'll also add it on the video, but the coupon code, and underneath the video there's a direct link, so you can click on that link and it will take you to My Girlfriend's Quilt Shop, and then you can put in Cuties, and it will pull up the design for, or the fabric kit, the fabric kit for this month. If you haven't been doing this with us, then you'll need to buy the CD, and the CD and booklet come together. You'll want that for sure. That's got all the designs on it, and you can go back. We have tutorials for each part of it, so you can do that on your own to catch up if you want, or just jump into April. Absolutely. So we will be doing April probably like the second week, maybe beginning of the third week. Either way, we'll do it of March. Second to third week of March. We will start on the April one to make sure that we get it done in time. As long as we don't have any internet issues. Oh my gosh, that was frustrating. I missed all you guys. It was funny to not have our to not have the connection with the group and be able to work on our videos. So anyway, everything is up and running now, and look at how cute these fabrics are. So yellow and oranges and greens for those carrots, and the bunnies, and the pinks. Of course, there's pink. And what is this? Oh, something soft. It must be velveteen maybe for the bunnies. Look at how cute. Oh, I can't wait. This will be really fun. I got to finish my gnome one first so that I can enjoy it. It's now March 1st. It's time to finish up the March cuties. But when you're ready, make sure to get your fabric kit ordered for the April cuties, and we'll work on that together like we always do. My shirt today is this bicycle one. It was from an Etsy shop, and last time I checked to try and get a link for you, it wasn't on Etsy anymore. I'll check again just in case, but oh my gosh, how cute is that? A pink bicycle. Hey everyone, so I'm at my computer now, and I just want to show you a few things that will help in our journey with our projects. So I'm opening a browser tab, and I'm going to go to Cristin Creates. You can just go to YouTube and type in Cristin Creates, and it will bring you to our channel. And then there's these playlists and videos, everything. So I'm going to open up our last video for the Merry Christmas Y'all pillow that we just finished. And I want to show you underneath the video. So whenever I say there's this information under the video, what I'm telling you is right here. It looks a little different on my end because I'm the owner of this. But right here is the video. And talking about showing you how to use embroidiance. And then down below the video, it will say join the fun in our group project, see more information, show more. Click on that and then look at all this information that is under every single video. I always share so much information. So when you're sending me messages saying, hey, what shirt are you wearing? Where can I find that? Or, hey, how do I buy embroidiance? Or who's our sponsor? What's our coupon code? All the information is always underneath the video. So the beginning of it talks about the current project that we're on. And then after that, I always talk about coming up next. So right here, next up. So since we were finishing up Merry Christmas, y'all, next up was the Kimberbell Cuties, which now we're going to start on. And see all these links here. So if you click on the link, this is the one for the CD. And it doesn't work. Sorry, I will fix that. They just updated their website. Let's see if there we go. All right, so I just have to fix the CD link. Sorry about that. But anyway, so here is the January Volume 2 Fabric Kit that you can purchase. And underneath the video, it tells you, here's my dogs. Hello. Hi, babies. So underneath right here, our coupon code, this one is for the fabric bundle. So the bundle right here, this is the January through June kit that I was telling you about. That it's all the 6 months worth of kits that you get one each month delivered to you, and you have free shipping with this one. So that one, the coupon code is Cristin Cutie Kit, and that gets you 10% off of the fabric bundle. So Cristin Cutie Kit, you can see it right there. The one that was for just the 1 month for the January, it's right here. Or you can buy that month fabric kit, and that one, the code is KBCutie2. Since they changed their website, they can't have one code for all of our items anymore. They have to have one code for each item. So that's why it's different. There's one for the bundle kit, or there's one for the January fabric kit. And like I said, I will get the link fixed for the CD. So that's the information for our sponsor. Our sponsor is My Girlfriend's Quilt Shop, and they have, like I said, the 6-month bundle fabric kit or just the 1 month bundle. And that 1 month, the January, you do pay shipping on that. The big savings, like you get 10% off either of these, but you with each code that I just mentioned, but you'll get free shipping if you buy the bundle one. All right, so that's the information that's underneath the video. As you know, I use embroidiance a lot. We just started using it this year. I think we started in like March. I'm not absolutely sure about that, but recently. And we're just jamming along with it and loving it. And so there is a link under here. I am an affiliate with Embroidiance Essentials, and so if you purchase it, if you're in the market for embroidery software, please use my link. It's under every single video right here. See right here, click to buy from Embroidiance. This is my affiliate link. And when you click on that link, it puts a little cookie on your computer saying that you're supporting Cristin Creates. And then you can see it right here. This is the one that we use all the time, Essentials. You can get it right there on the left sidebar, or you can go up to the store. Either one will take you to the Embroidiance Essentials. And you click Add to Cart, and you can purchase Embroidiance Essentials. And you've seen I do step by step on how to do everything with Embroidiance Essentials. And so if you're in the market for that, please click on my link. It's under every single video. And here's a link to our group, our fantastic group on Facebook. I love it. It's so wonderful, and the people are so amazing and helpful. And then there's always other supplies like the dry erase packets. So all these packets that I organize my fabrics in, there's a link to those right here. And these are affiliate links as well. I get a tiny little kickback from Amazon if you purchase from the links that I share. So these packets have been so helpful. I really like them. And there's also, see this bin to hold the dry erase packets. So my bin is like, oh my gosh, so old, like probably 20 years old. But I found one on Amazon that's the same size. And so that's what this bin, it's a clear bin so you can see your packets well. And it's the same size as mine. And then the glue sticks, invisible thread, because that's when we did our stitch in the ditch. Rotating cutting mat, I use that with my orange pop rollers right there. Very helpful. My favorite duckbill scissors and my favorite needles. So all the questions that I get asked all the time with all the messages, everything literally is underneath the video. So take a look there. When you're asking about shirts, see right here the Country Christmas on Pink hoodie, the shirt I'm wearing in this video, at the bottom. So at the very bottom of so here's the video. And then underneath the video at the very bottom, I share information on all of my shirts because I get messages about them. So I always share that. And then how to support our channel if you decide to do that. So that's how to find all the information under the video. You literally just click see more, and see, it says here, click here to see links below the video, and then all those links are under there. So that's how to buy from our sponsor. Let me tell you one other thing is the quilting. So we're going to use the quilting bundle for these cuties, and there's a link also. So here we are, we're at the next up, Kimberbell Cuties. You can also find this under the videos that we've already done for the cuties. There was an announcement video and an unboxing video, and all the information is under there as well. So here's where, see right here, it says to order quilting designs for the tabletoppers, please use the affiliate link from our sponsor. And this is the one for my girlfriend's quilt shop. And all it does is it takes you to Kimberbell, but it puts a little cookie on your computer saying, oh, she's supporting my girlfriend's quilt shop with this order. So you can see it takes us to Kimberbell just by clicking on that link. And then what I do is I usually just use the search bar. I find that the easiest, and you can type in whatever you're looking for. So I'm going to type in cutie and see if that works, and it does. So there, right there, the first thing that comes up is that bundle of quilting designs. That's what we will be using for our quilting on our month set here. So we're going to start with the January one. This one has all 6 months in it, and they're all geared exactly toward the triangles and the squares in the middle and the borders. It's everything that we're going to need for that. There's this one that can be a little bit confusing. It has all of those quilting designs, but it's the regular quilting designs. It's not the ones that are triangle. They're not the sized exactly that we need for our cuties. So this is a different one. Like if you see in here and you're like, oh my gosh, there is gnome quilting, I love that, then you can buy this one that has all the different sizes in the regular sizes, whereas this one is all those triangles. You can also buy each design separately, like that gnome. I have to get that gnome. It's so cute. All right, so that's how to buy with the affiliate link, where to find the quilting. You literally just type in the search bar cutie, and then it comes right up. I showed you how to buy the fabric kit and the CD. I'll get that CD link fixed. How to buy Embrilliance, the packets for the organizing. Those are at the bottom of every video as well. And they just make it so easy to organize our projects. The coupon code, like I showed you, is underneath the videos. And the batting, I made a picture. Let me find, here's my cuties. So I made this for our batting, and I will add this in our group page, or you can do a screenshot right here. But this is all the batting cuts that we need for January right here, all of these. All right, that should help make it a little bit easier. It wasn't very easy to find, so this should be pretty helpful. Let's see, one other thing. So like I said down here, I recommend not cutting the inner and outer border fabric length until assembly. You can do whatever works for you, but I learned my lesson on one of my quilts. I cut them to the size that it said, and it turned out that they weren't long enough. And so now I always leave my inner and outer border fabrics long, and I just cut my batting to the exact right size. But then when I'm assembling my pillow, I trim off the excess. So that's my personal suggestion. And I went over the thread colors that I chose. And I will add information under the video for those. And I think that's everything. So anyway, here I just wanted to give you all this information of how to find information under the video, how to find the the bundle of the quilting that we will use, and how to find the items from our sponsor. So we're all good to get started. So let me know when you have all your fabrics backed and ready, or you can do them as you go. That's totally fine too. But I'm pretty excited to get started. When I finish this project, I am going to go to California and see my grandkids. So we're not going to diddle-dally too long, but we'll do it at a comfortable pace.